Alright guys, so I finally got a chance to go out and shoot off this box of 380 Tula 91 grain full metal jacket. Get that extra grain in there, that could make all the difference. So it's pretty funny actually. Didn't notice that until just now. So anyway, first and foremost, this box of 380 Tula did not come from Walmart. If you remember from that other video I had out, the bullet was kind of hourglass shaped, or it looked like a little penis apparently, but that's what I found that the ammo from Walmart in 380 to look like, and this did not. This was all symmetrical. It was fine. I've bought 223 from Walmart and 9mm. It was fine, but I would not buy the 380 Tula ammo there because it looked deformed to me, absolutely, and it may have been just a lot or a batch that was like that. But the one thing and the reason that this is out here is, again, this is like the AR versus the AK, okay? Tula ammo, Russian ammo, it's like 22 long rifle, in a micro, cosm here. Your gun's either going to run it or it's not, okay? It certainly doesn't mean it's bad ammunition. It's non-corrosive. It functions fine in all the guns that I've shot. And you'll see in the video, this stuff shot fine through this beautiful Colt Series 80 government. Safety check. You'll see I had 5 magazines I think I shot out of it, and you'll see the last magazine I did get, when I just tried to load it, she got hung up on there a little bit. All I had to do was re-rack it and drop the slide, and she went in and fired. So that was fine, but you'll see it cycled just fine. I wasn't really going for accuracy, but that's all BS, because who the hell shoots and doesn't shoot for accuracy? But I was just trying to cycle the ammo at a somewhat of a fast rate to see how this cycled through this, okay? If I can get this stuff for 10, 11 bucks, cheaper than dirt, again, I will. It's well worth it. It shot fine, it was whatever, so that's going to be fine. But just because your gun doesn't shoot this doesn't mean this is shit ammo, okay? Your gun is shit. No, I'm just kidding. It just means that it's finicky. It's like 22, I mean, ideally I'd shoot CCI every time if I could afford it. But, I don't want to spend $7 for 100 rounds. I'd like to spend $15 for 550 rounds. Anyway, enjoy the video. Like I said, the Winchester White Box 380, by the way, be warned on that. That has the flat nose, like a 45. So that's shaped like that. This gun, I couldn't even get 1 round into battery, period. That sucked. It was like $33 for 100 rounds. I thought I scored last year. Not 1 round would go in there. So that was a loss, because you can't bring the ammo back. I ended up trading my FFL, the 100 rounds. He gave me 50 rounds of some Remington or whatever. But anyway, guys, videos to follow here on the shooting. It was a fun day out there. I got a lot of vids. We all got together, some of the guys finally. It was beautiful out. It was a little windy, which was nice, kept the black flies down. But hey, if you get a chance to shoot this stuff, try it, whatever. Yeah, I'll shoot Tula through it. That's the beauty of it. It's a gun. It's designed to be shot, and I like shooting it, so whatever's cheapest. It's not like I'm plinking every day with it anyway, but it's a lot of fun to shoot, that's for sure. Alright, hope this helps. Enjoy the video, comment, rate. Alright, so again, Tula 380 test, about 8 yards. Seemed to run pretty flawless. Well, seemed to run flawless through there. Again, it's like anything else, especially like 22, okay? If someone says, oh, it's shit, well, maybe it's shit in your gun, well, that doesn't mean it's shit in mine. So, that's all I have to say about that.